I'm paddling over thousands of organisms. Most of you can't see with the naked eye. In fact, one handful of water contains dozens, if not hundreds, of microscopic organisms called plankton.
Plankton are organisms that float in the water. Phytoplankton is one type. It is a mixture of microscopic plants. Phytoplankton is found in ponds, lakes, and is found throughout the world's oceans, as seen in various colors on this satellite image. It is a very important food source and is also responsible for producing oxygen. Phytoplankton, like other green plants, is a producer, meaning that it produces or makes its own food. Producers take simple raw materials and convert them into food. Converting energy from the sun, along with water and a gas called carbon dioxide, plants make a simple sugar called glucose, commonly used for medical treatment. This process of taking carbon dioxide, water, and with the sun producing oxygen, water, and sugar is called photosynthesis. Without photosynthesis, none of us would be able to survive. Most animals, including humans, either directly or indirectly utilize the energy that plants bind up in sugar or food they produce. Producers are the ultimate source of energy in most ecosystems. Organisms that cannot make their own food, such as these cows, depend on producers for food and energy. In this case, they are eating grass, which is a producer. When animals, like these sheep, eat grass, they are called consumers. Other types of animals, such as this hawk, consume animals. They are also called consumers.
You may be wondering what I'm using for bait. I'm using an artificial fly that imitates an organism that lives under these rocks called the Caddis Fly Nymph. This is the young form of the flying caddis insect.
It eats microscopic plants. It is a special kind of consumer called a herbivore. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Here, in the White River, nymphs of a variety of insects are often eaten by fish, such as trout. Trout eat other animals, thus they are called carnivores. Consumers that eat other animals are called carnivores. In other words, they are meat eaters. Trout are consumers, eating nymphs and other small animals. The nymph is called the prey. Animals that seek out other animals for prey, such as the trout, are called predators.
The fishing has slowed down a little bit here on the river, and I may have discovered one of the reasons why. I have some competition here.
A heron. One of the top predators along the White River is the great blue heron. It has a long, sharp beak, long legs for wading, a huge wingspan, and a keen ability to capture many types of prey, including rodents, snakes, and fish. A heron is a type of consumer or predator that eats animals.